just make an experimental food. So basically I put the peanuts in the water and I keep it like 1 day, and after I change water and put it in the fridge for make it softer, then I cooked it about 1 hour, I guess, quite a long time, yeah, and make it super soft. So basically you can make mash, you can see it's really soft. And it tastes good, and you can make a big variety of different taste, or you can make a paste if you put it in a blender, whatever. So you can put it in your burrito or make it like creamy, like a sauce for your, I don't know, nachos, or just eat it with salad or add to the salad. And it tastes good and really simple.